Did you know how much money, time and effort are necessary to conserve biodiversity in a single national park? Government allocates resources for nature conservation, but they are not sufficient. Therefore, Biodiversity Finance Initiative was launched. It will allow Kyrgyzstan assess financing flows and opportunities for resource mobilization. It will allow conserve and plant more forests, open new nature reserves and national parks, save endangered species from extinction, boost capacity of nature protection specialists, restore degraded ecosystems, save traditional knowledge and cultural heritage. Anyone can help the state by investing in programs aimed at biodiversity and ecosystems conservation. Reserves and natural parks can increase their income by attracting tourists. Local population can also receive income from tourists by providing them with services. Private sector will also benefit from investing in ecosystem protection, sustainable resource use, and environment-friendly technologies implementation. Entrepreneurs could receive incentives in the form of tax relief and support in environmentally friendly organic products promotion. We all love our Earth, and we desire to save it to our children. We want them to have what we had: clean air and water, organic food, and natural environment. Reproduce me, your Earth.